So it was from an alum, one of the 250 people you had kind of made a connection with at HBS. You had kind of partnered with him or her, but explain how that even took.
Yeah. So for everyone here, if you want to get a job in private equity, one of the easiest way to do it is to start showing people deals. Like stop asking for a job, go find a deal on BizBuySell or BizQuest or something and show it to somebody. So that's what I was doing.
At where? BizBuySell,
BizQuest. I mean, there's hundreds of deal listing sites, but business brokers list deals. Go find one that you like and go show it to a deal person.
Okay.
So what ended up happening is right around the time I started at Workday, the exercise for 3 or 4 months showing a mentor deals, he said, hey, I actually like this. We should work together and formalize this. So we started an independent sponsor company called Ellsworth Partners, where him and I looked at deals between $2 and $8 million in EBITDA, industrial stuff, kind of similar to what I did at Watermill, looking to do those deals as independent sponsors. So private equity groups without a dedicated fund, you raise capital while you're in diligence. So I did that while I was doing the Workday job.